Hi guys, if you're looking for Home Depot promo codes in 2024, then I've got you covered. So finding these codes can save you some bucks on your purchases, so let's dive into the steps to discover the latest Home Depot deals. Alright, so first things first, start by heading over to the official Home Depot website. And once there, take a look at the homepage as it often showcases ongoing promotions and banners with current discounts. So this is actually a quick and direct way to spot any immediate savings. Then next, consider signing up for Home Depot's newsletters or your loyalty program as companies often reward subscribers with exclusive promo codes and early access to special deals. So this can be a great way to stay in the loop about upcoming discounts. Alright, so for the next one, you might also want to follow Home Depot on social media as their social media platforms are another source of potential promotions and exclusive deals. So by following Home Depot on platforms like Facebook, X or Twitter, or Instagram, you might come across time-limited offers or special discounts that are not widely advertised. Then next, you might also want to check or join online forums as communities and forums often share codes and deals among their members. So joining those platforms could help provide you access to promo codes shared by fellow shoppers as well. So it's a collaborative way to discover discounts. And then next is check your email. So if you've made online purchases from Home Depot in the past, just keep an eye on your email as companies occasionally send personalized promo codes to previous customers as a token of appreciation. And that's it. So this step should guide you in finding Home Depot promo codes in 2024. So remember to always verify the legitimacy of any codes you come across and ensure they are still valid before applying them at checkout. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.